So I've been testing out this Ustra hair growth kit for some time now. I first washed my hair on 27th of last month, so I'd say it's been a little over 2 weeks, and even though it is written in the instructions to use this kit at least for 90 days, I've decided to put out the video because I am starting to see results now. So this kit contains 3 things. We get the anti-hair fall shampoo, we get the hair growth vitalizer, and we get a hair growth cream, which was a new thing for me as well. So at first I thought there are so many different treatments available for hair loss, so many different products. What makes this one special? But then I realized the reason this thing contains 3 individual products is because this targets all the possible reasons for hair loss, whether it be due to stress, due to hereditary issues, or changing weather, or lifestyle, basically anything and everything. Plus, it approaches all the possible ways to increase the hair growth rate. Now that's a worthy difference. So the way we are supposed to use this is first we apply this hair growth cream at night. Then we wash our hair the following day with the included shampoo, and then we apply the hair growth vitalizer serum to our scalp and the hair as well. So the first time I washed my hair with this shampoo, I was surprised to see how much lather it can produce, considering the fact that it is a completely sulfate and paraben free shampoo. And even though lather is not the major reason my head is getting cleaned, it does provide a soothing feeling when the head is cleaned that way. And as the name suggests, anti-hair fall shampoo, this shampoo fights hair fall and strengthens the hair. And this is made possible due to the inclusion of ginseng, which is one of the 2 main components. The other one is apple cider vinegar, which leaves the hair with a healthier, shinier look. Not to mention its antimicrobial properties that can fight Malassezia, the fungus that causes wet dandruff. But after washing my hair with this shampoo, instead of applying Ustra Ayurvedic oil, which I usually use, I went for the hair growth vitalizer. And I know the name makes it sound like something not everyone can use, but this is just a hair serum and everyone can use it. So I applied it as a hair serum, except this one needs to be applied on the scalp as well. So as soon as my hair got dry, I applied a little amount on the scalp and a little bit on the length as well. And we aren't supposed to do this, but I couldn't help myself, so I applied a little bit of hair oil to the hair ends anyways. But the reason this thing is supposed to be applied on the scalp is that this thing contains some special ingredients that are going to help in the hair growth. The key ingredients being Redensil and saw palmetto, including some other awesome ingredients as well, such as keratin, collagen, all the necessary vitamins, minerals, amino acids, fatty acids, you name it. It's got all the bells and whistles. But then again, it is the inclusion of all these ingredients that makes this thing work. And we are going to talk about the role of this hair cream as well in a moment, but are you getting the picture now? The anti-hair fall shampoo is there to stop or reduce the hair fall, while the hair growth vitalizer is there to increase the hair growth rate. You see? Now the third product in this kit is this hair growth cream, and we are supposed to apply this thing in the night before going to bed and then wash it off the following morning with the provided shampoo. So it has to sit on the scalp for a whole night, and that is because this thing targets the main cause of hair fall in men, that is of course DHT. And I have to say, Ustra went all out designing this hair growth kit, because just like the hair growth vitalizer, this thing contains 15 different ingredients that includes onion extract, coffee bean extracts, aloe vera, and 12 other such awesome ingredients. And that is why this proprietary blend can provide up to 70% reduction in male pattern baldness. But it does some other things as well, such as stimulating the hair roots and providing them with nourishment. So this kit needs us to apply this hair growth cream at night and then wash it off the following morning with the included shampoo, and then apply the hair growth vitalizer on the scalp and the length as well. But because I don't wash my hair every single day, I use this kit twice a week. However, because of the lightweight nature of the hair growth vitalizer, we can apply it every single day as well as a hair serum. So if you're okay with all the ingredients that this kit contains and you're comfortable using it the way it is meant to be used, do give this one a shot, because I feel like this kit is better than most of the hair loss treatments available out there, because as I said, This targets all the possible reasons for hair loss while approaching all the possible ways to increase the hair growth rate. So finally, if you do decide to give this one a shot, there will be a link in the description along with the coupon code. This thing is available on Ustra's official website, but you can get it from Amazon and Flipkart as well. And then again, the links will be in the description. But with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.